Very good morning to one and all presented over there. So today we will enjoy lots of presentation over there, I think. So you should guess what is the topic of my presentation, right? So I will ask one question to all of you. According to you, who is a successful man? Who is a successful man?
Most of people like Mark Zuckerberg, Mukesh Ambani,
Chanakya. So we can say successful, we relate success in terms of money? No?
Yes.
Okay. So don't be serious, we have funny line for you. A successful man is one who makes more money than his wife can spend. So now we will start our topic, that is money. Right. So today we will learn something about money. What is money? What is the outline of our presentation? First one, evolution of money. What is money? Evolution of money. Barter systems. Limitation of barter system, and money and its primary functions. Primary functions or secondary function. What the money does with the help of money. What are the facilities do we have? Right. So we will start. So first one, I already tell you about the topic, that is money. So money is something with the help of which we can exchange our goods and services. Am I right? If we want to buy some clothes, some planes or whatever we like, if we have so much enough money, then we will go and buy this amount of thing with this money. So money is, we can say money is the tool with which we can exchange our goods and services. We can sell and purchase of goods with the help of money. But how money comes in the picture? Before money, there is something else. There is a barter of exchange. In the previous era, in the early era, the Gupta period, Chanakya period, or very past in the history, do we have money at that time? No. What kind of things we have at that time?
Exchange policy.
Exchange policies. Exchange things. Yes. So what we do, at that time we did the exchange of goods. Like if we want, if we are growing, because at that time we were all of the in the world, all of the countries are agrarian societies. Means we are not industrial nations. We are just based on agriculture, and in agriculture, what is the time at that time? What is the money at that time? The crops they get grown. This is a money for them. So we are exchanging our crops, or we are exchanging our goods to other goods. But there are very consequences, very limitations for these exchanges. So these exchanges we call it barter system. So under barter system, what we did? Under barter system, we exchange our goods and services for other goods and services, right? So next is the limitation. First stage we have done, meaning and the evolution. The second stage is limitations of barter system. So limitation of barter system, number one is double coincidence of bonds. Double coincidence of bonds means we can take examples of three characters. We took Steve Jobs, we took one Bill Gates, and the third one is Mark Zuckerberg. What happened? Bill Gates grow corns, and he needs apples. But what we did? He was growing just only corns, but he needs apple. He goes to Steve Jobs. He was asking for, yes, I need some apples. Can you exchange with me? So what Steve Jobs replies, no, actually I exchange with only tomatoes. I have apples, but I exchange with tomatoes. I will not exchange with corn. Then there is a problem. What will Bill Gates do? Bill Gates again go to Mark Zuckerberg. And what will happen? Mark Zuckerberg said, yes, okay, I can exchange with you, but the thing is 1 kg tomato is equal to 2 kg corn. So I will give apples, I will exchange your whatever you want. You want apples and I have apples, but I need your 2 kg corns. And if you are agree with me, then we can exchange. So the problem arises. The first limitation is double coincidence of corns. If he has the demand of apple, but the other person is doesn't need this type of thing, so double coincidence of corns problem arises. Second one, divisibility of value. What is the divisibility of value? At that time money is not there. We will exchange with some goods and things. If we can take example of gold, can we exchange with some amount of gold with the horse? If we want horse, at that time we were agriculture society. We are thinking in terms of these things, because horse, cows, buffaloes or crops, we are thinking about in that scenario. So if we want to exchange horse with gold, but can it be happen? Possibly. Very less amount, very minimal amount of exchange is there. So the thing is, second is divisibility value is very impossible, or we can say very minimal. I think you all are serious. You are not. This topic is not interesting. Okay. Third one is lack of a common unit of value. The third limitation is lack of common unit of value. What is the common unit of value? Common unit of value means if USA is exchanging with corn only and Mexico is exchanging with only tobacco only, so both the countries are there. So how can it be possible they can exchange with corn to the tobacco? There is a problem. If money is there, what will happen? We can value the amount of corn and we can value the amount of tobacco, and then we can exchange. But money is not there at that time. So what will happen? There is a problem. So we cannot. There is not common value. And the fourth one is lack of a system for future payments. Future payments. In current scenario, we all are industrial nations also, and most of the time, if we are going to pay our electricity bill, or we have to if we took some loan, what will happen? We will go payment for taking this loan. So future payment is there, but it is possible only when we are taking money. But in barter system, if we take future payments, we have that much of amount, we have that much of corn. So corn is a perishable good, so we can store for a long time. No, we can't store. So there is a problem again. So lack of a system for future payments. And the last one is lack of a system for storage. If that much amount of corn is there, that much amount of apple is there. So in how much time we can store that apple? Only for 2-3 months, 5 months. That's it. Or the main thing is, if there is a natural calamity, if corn is not there, if apple is not there, all the crops has vanished, what will we do? How do we do our exchanges? There is a problem again. So with these problems, with these limitations, there is a evolution of money. So this is the story of evolution of money. In the evolution, there are various stages. First one is commodity money. Second one is metallic money. Third one is paper currency. Fourth one is bank money, and the last one is, you already heard about the, I think, cryptocurrency. But we will discuss about only the four stages. We will not discuss till right now about cryptocurrency. So commodity money we already have discussed. Now we comes to our metallic money. Metallic money you already know. In Gupta period they have started the gold coins, and in Sher Shah Suri they have started the silver coin. So the metallic money comes into the picture. Why? Because commodity money has some limitations. They are perishable. How can we measure this type of, if there is a crop, there is a failure of crop, what will happen? So the matrimony comes into the picture. Second one, there is a, right now we are taking the paper money. What is paper money? Paper money we already know what is paper money. This one, this is the paper money. Okay, this is also paper. So can we say these all are the same? Both the papers are same? No, this is a simple paper. But we can say money for this paper. Why? Because it's a legal tender. Why legal tender? We call it legal tender. If I am giving to this and I am giving to this, which one you can take? This one. Why? Because you can't deny this money. Because it's a legal tender. Government has assigned this legacy and government said that yes, you cannot deny this money. If you want to exchange something, you can deny this money, but you can't deny this money. So it's a paper currency, right? And the second, fourth point is bank money. What is bank money? Whatever we have deposited in our money into the bank, we call it bank money. If you are buying something on the Amazon, Flipkart or any other site, what will we do? If prepaid is there, so what will we do? We buy something and we will give the value of this payment through our ATM cards or net banking and all these things. So these we call it banking money, bank money. And the last one, right now we are not discuss about cryptocurrency. In other class, if we have got time, then we will discuss about the cryptocurrency. So we have completed evolution of money, barter system. Okay, now we comes to money. So primary money has 5 functions: primary function and as well as a secondary function. In primary function, it's a medium of exchange. We already discussed medium of exchange. Anyone can exchange our goods and services in terms of money. And the second one is measure of value. We can measure any value of any amount in terms of money easily. So measure of value, these two are the primary functions of money. And the last three is, we can say STD. STD is store of value, transfer of value or the deferred payment. Store of value, we can easily store our money into the bank or into our boxes or into our lockers. And the second is transfer of value. We can transfer our value, means if we are sitting in PCI, if we want to transfer any amount, what will we do? With the use of net banking, we will transfer any amount of money to other person. So transfer of value is easily. And the last one is deferred payment. Deferred payment, we call it future payment. In terms of money, we can easily exchange our or give our value in terms of for future payments we will use money. Okay, and the last line is about money is a tool. If you use it properly, it makes something beautiful, but if you don't use it properly, if you don't use wisely or in a wrong manner, it will give a mess. That's it for today's presentation. Thank you. And if you have any queries about that, please ask me. What is money? I will give you already. Money is a tool. With the help of money, we can exchange our goods and services. Any other question?
Please ask queries. Money.
What is the work of money?
Work of money. With the help of money, we can transfer the value of any product, or we can store money, or many more functions is there.
What is the disadvantage of money?
Disadvantage. Okay, disadvantage is there. Like we have already seen the demonetization phase in 2016. What will happen? Our neighbor countries or many they are making fake money, and with the help of this fake money, so much amount of fake money is circulating within an economy, and because of so much amount of money is circulating in the economy, what will happen? The inflation problem is there, and many more problems is there. So that is the place of money.
Feedback.